Today I'm gonna show you how to make healthy vanilla cupcakes with super easy 3-ingredient frosting. The cupcakes come out super moist and delicious. Kids love them and the frosting holds up for hours. Let's do it. Start by preheating the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Now grab 2 eggs, they don't have to be room temperature, and add them to a large bowl. And here is a trick for maple syrup or honey. You spray the measuring cup with cooking spray and then it just slides out easily. So we're using maple syrup. I have not used dry sweetener, so can't tell. You could test, it could work. Then we're using Greek yogurt. I do not recommend to use the regular yogurt because it contains more whey, so the batter might be a little bit too runny and kind of like run out of each cupcake cup, and they will not work, but maybe. So then we're using vanilla extract and fresh lemon zest. It adds amazing flavor. You can also use orange zest, lime zest, little mandarins, you know, those cuties, just any. And now we're adding baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and whisk it all together. There is no need for the hand mixer. These cupcakes are delicate and fluffy with a whisk. Whisk it really well, and we're going to add almond flour. I'm using the Costco brand, super fine. I probably don't measure it like everyone else, but I just kind of like go with a measuring cup. Make sure you skim the top, and that's your measurement for almond flour. It works. So stir the batter, and the cupcake batter will be on a runnier side, so it's not like a muffin. You want cupcakes to be a little bit more delicate and tender, so that's why. Grab the muffin tin. It's important to use the parchment paper liners and spray them with cooking spray. Then it's important to divide the cupcake batter evenly between the cups. So I use the ice cream scoop, trigger scoop. I love that for cupcakes and muffins. And then I smooth the top with spatula just to make sure they're even. Bake for 20 minutes on a middle rack of the oven. Super important. Almond flour burns fast, so on a middle rack. See, they come out without the tops like on muffin because we don't want them. Now for the frosting. Today I'm making Greek yogurt frosting. It's simple 3 ingredients. Here I have the same Greek yogurt. I'm using 2%. I strained it overnight in the fridge. Super easy, you can do it over 6 hours. Then for sweetener, I'm using Swerve icing sugar, but you can use regular icing sugar, whatever you like. It just has to be dry, sorry, no maple syrup or honey. Vanilla, and whip it with a hand mixer, not too long because it will become too runny. You can also place it in the fridge if you have time. Anytime you disturb Greek yogurt, it thins out, and after whipping as well, put it in the fridge, no problem. Very simple cupcake decorating set by Wilton. I love it. We will be using 2M tip for Greek yogurt frosting. You can use star tip for buttercream frosting. I'm going to link all other frostings I have on the website and you can use them. But Greek yogurt, 2A. Cut the bag. I actually wash and reuse these bags just for environmental reasons and being frugal. And this cupcake set is perfect for non-often bakers like myself. So put the bag in a cup, stand it upright, then that way it's easier to fill. And then just twist the end, and you will have to double the Greek yogurt frosting recipe for 12 cupcakes. This was enough to frost 6, the single. So now to pipe, you just go pipe and move the bag in upward motion, and that's it. It kind of like creates this nice mound, just like this. Very simple. You don't go around. And I'm using Christmas sprinkles because that's what I had, but I honestly love this color. It's like green, red, and white, festive year round. Kids love these cupcakes. These healthy cupcakes, tested on many kids. They do not notice that they're made with almond flour. They're just super fluffy, moist, and sweet. And if you put that healthier buttercream frosting, they will gobble them up. Even with this one. These Healthy Vanilla Cupcakes are perfect for your next kid's birthday, any celebration. They withstand the heat perfectly. They're moist, fluffy, guests will love them. Enjoy!